Stork Medical would like you to know that there are many important reasons to store your newborn's cord blood. As you will see next, family joy is certainly one of those reasons.
My baby love, been missing ya, miss kissing ya. Instead of breaking up, let's do some kissing and making up. Sing! But all you do is treat me bad. You break my heart and leave me sad. Tell me, what did I do wrong to make you stay away so long? Baby love, my baby love, I need.
It's easy to share your special moment of family fun. Just click on the link in this newsletter. If your video is used by Stork, you will be rewarded with your choice of a free year of cord blood storage or a $50 gift card.